Hi, and welcome back to this Monday morning trade session. I'm Alex Greeby. As you can see in the name, those are my emails. This is my charts. So that's the EuroCAD. We're gonna start with Euro and pretty standard stuff. Just go through the markets today, see if there's any good opportunities this morning. You might hear the Toy Story going on in the background. The little one wanted to watch some Toy Story, some Buzz Lightyear. We all use a little Buzz Lightyear in our lives, you know? That's what's going on with the Euro. Just going to wait for it to turn around. Let's see. Looks like this is going to be our opportunity here. Alright, so yesterday we were looking at waiting for the close above here. The close above there didn't happen, but we do have a close above here now. So we're going to zoom in, go to the 1 hour time frame, and notice that there's nothing really there. We do have this, however, though. It is still pretty fresh there. But it is tricky because this is where the candle closed below. So as much as I would like to take this, I'm going to say that that's a no-go for me. You could take it anyways if you want. If you want a 1-to-1 or something, you get a 1-to-1 out of that. It's going to be a no-go for me, though, unfortunately. So there we go. If you like that, feel free to take it. 13086 to 13073. Go to the Aussie. Same thing, just going to wait for that to turn around there. It reached there, so we're not going to take this trade like I was saying yesterday. I'm going to wait for it to come back a little bit. That way I'm going to set up trades and then take them away. Alright, the New Zealand dollar broke its daily supply area. It's not really basing there. Looks like this would be the base though. Yeah, because this candle closed inside of the range of the previous did it? A24 and A24. So yeah, this candle closed inside the range of this candle. So I'm going to call that the base there. I mean, well, I guess you do have that same kind of thing here. These candles are closing inside, although you don't have the 50%. There is a strong move away. So it's tough. But I'm going to mark this one off though, just right away. That way we can just move the curve thing. So these candles, this candle closed inside of that one, this candle closed inside of that one, and this would be the leg out candle. These aren't trades that we're taking, these are just the curve setup, so we can be a little more flexible with kind of how the zones work. Or if you want to trade that, if you want to trade zones like that, by all means do it. If it works for you, definitely do it. This is just the way I do it. So, yeah. So that's kind of what we're looking for in the New Zealand, waiting for it to turn around. Same thing on the dollar CAD, came into low on the curve. Gotta wait for it to turn around. You guys might be like, oh, was your hair all messy? Well, because this is the dream, right? I'm in my pajamas, trading at 11 o'clock. I woke up at 10 this morning, a little late, 6:30 the first time. Had some weird dreams, though. Having weird dreams. Really weird dreams. So, see, this would be the next breakout area. The only thing is that now it's low on the curve, so I'm going to leave it. Just because the last couple of weeks what's happened is if I try to take these, they just wick me out and I get screwed. And I'm like, you know what, I'm done with that. I'm going to go back to my normal rules. If it comes low on the curve or the opposing curve level, I'm not going to take it. See, this one failed. Yeah, I think it was just too messy. Like, there's so many candles in the base. It would have still been a good trade to, take, but we didn't, so. Sometimes, though, when you're doing this, it seems like you're just never going to get anything. But what you do get is going to be good. They're going to be good opportunities, so. Now we got to wait for the pound yen to turn around. This is kind of one of the problems you can run into with the range breakout trades, because there's not really a trend here. I mean, you get like a downtrend, but then it breaks that, so it'll go like, it'll make it kind of like a, if I was going to draw lines on here, turn magnet mode off, something like this. You get like that kind of shape until it decides it's going to go and just go in a direction. That can be the problem with taking. Some of them work. Like we had last week. We had 1 week last week that worked. But yeah, this one wouldn't have worked. And that is A-okay. Here we go. Turn magnet mode back on. $13.05. It's higher than 1300. 1985 is higher than 1940. So this actually doesn't even get a box. Not until we get close below. Alright. So we're going on to the pound yen. $34.15. $34.70. We're going to take that down to there. Oh, we might have to close this trade, guys. Because we've got this. So now it's counter trend, because for this trade to hit, it either has to just come down, wick into the area, and come up right away, or do that. And that's a downtrend. So we got to go ahead and cancel the pound yen trade. Let's go down here, click, no entry. That's just the name of the game. Counter trend. Go in here, take the picture. And this gets kind of frustrating too when this happens, so. Ching up here. And there we go. So now what I'm going to do is it's going to be like a for fun trade, so I just make these lines purple. And there we go. It can just as easily just wick down into there, but if you're watching this on the 240, it's like, oh man, that's gonna be a down move. So, if this would have happened, if it would have wicked down in there without me looking and then continued higher, that'd be nice. We could put it back on if price does this. So if it closes above here, we could put that back on as a standard range trade. But we gotta wait and see what's gonna happen with it first. Aussie. I think we didn't pick this one because it's like just too messy. Like this would be the area. This could be an area, and it's just a. It probably might work. Probably will, but I'm not gonna take it just because it's too messy. And there we go. There's that. So actually with this one, well, we can't take it. It was high on the curve, it came down. Now it's low on the curve, so we can't take the short. It's really annoying. This is what I was talking about yesterday when like you have the curves are really close. Sometimes the moves, they just like, they bounce around. So for me, I can't take that. This would have been a nice little setup, this, and then down in here would have been pretty nice setups. But I mean, they are low on the curve. They're inside higher time frame demand, so maybe they're worth taking. Here's what I'll do with these. Though I don't really want to make any more changes to my trading plan and just trade it the way it is, I'm going to mark those just for fun zones. There we go. CAD, yeah, and EuroCAD. So this one is still good. This is just a different kind of trade now. So instead of the range breakout trade, it's changed to the standard range. So we have to change that. And the reason that is because although it didn't close above here, it did go above there. So if it comes down now and drops straight into the zone like that, that's still technically a good trade. But still, it's allowed to stay on. Go into the EuroCAD here. Standard range long. Actually, I'll do this just a standard. Standard range long. Standard range long. There we go. And there we go. That's the story on that there. You're lost. These closes are still inside the range of the previous candles, except this one that's closed outside. And we do have a newer low here. However, we did get a close above the previous thing, so this could actually be a potential opportunity here. All right. So, all right, everything's pretty much used up though. If you don't mind taking trades that aren't fresh zones, you could probably take something down in here. If you want to follow this trading plan, I'm not gonna know. Euro Aussie, Euro New Zealand. Wait. So it did close above there finally. Probably missed the opportunity. Yeah, it would have been like this. But see, it's already used up, and it even went a little lower. So we can't take that. Well, I can't take it. You can if you want, but I'm not going to. Euro pound. See if we can get a close below here. Then we can start looking for nice shorts. Don't think we saw anything. Oh yeah, we did. We saw this. It almost hit, but this was keeping us out of it. That's the thing. But here's another, like when I was talking, I think last week, you got your engulfing candles. These will work sometimes, these engulfing candles. It's kind of crazy. Those engulfing candles will work sometimes. But we're going to wait for it to close below there. Alright. So the Euro franc. Go down move to here. It is now low on the curve again. Now it's inside higher time frame demand, so hopefully in the next day or two we can get a nice little something we can buy into. Aussie CAD. Gotta wait for this bad boy to turn around. Pound Aussie. 740. So that's the same. Still don't have it up there yet. So once we get it closed above here, I think we were looking at this trade though. Why did we take it? Oh, because it touched more than 50% in the zone. That's why. That's probably need to move it here. Let's see. So take the bottom part of the zone. 11. 5.611. So if you move it to the bottom there, you definitely take that because that's your profit target that stops below this wick. Could be a good trade there. In an uptrend, I am going to put this one on now actually. We're low on the curve, we got the little uptrend we're looking for. We don't have a close above anywhere. So long as we can just get the straight fall into the area, should be set on this one. Maybe the profit margin will be too bad though. 68, look at that, we got a good trade right here. Not ideal because it is touched, but not fresh. Put that up right there. There we go. Pound Aussie. Go on this bad boy. 3, 8, 7, 6, 1, 8, 6, 9. For 2,000 even, so it'll be 38 and 42. There we go. Bam. So. And go. So hopefully it'll come down there today. Straight drop in. And hits the profit target. We did have the one last week that worked pretty nicely right here. Taking that. Hopefully we can get another one out of there. Right? It's over. Make that bigger. Here we go. That's all set up. We got two more pairs to look at. We got the pound CAD. We do got close above there. So, here. So like this would be an example. I think we measured this. We didn't take this yesterday. I don't think it was actually closing above yet. 97. $10.05. So this is kind of what I was talking about earlier too. Like this isn't a basing candle by itself, but it closed inside the range of this candle. So technically, depending on what your rules are, this would be an acceptable trade. Take that long. For me, it would be a standard range long. I'm going to look for it to close above here though. You see that on the 240. Wait for it to close above there, and then just take something like down in here. If there is anything, it doesn't really look there is though. If this got used up, yeah, there's not really anything in there. So, on pound franc, last pair here. 2754, 2752. So that is higher. Goes up to there. And now this isn't, it's not a trade. There's no trades here for me. Nothing there for me. So this failed. And that's okay. It happens. Like that. Well, there we go. Yeah, we just got a pound Aussie set up here. That's what I got for the day so far. Sometimes, you know, like I said, you'll go through these and you won't get anything, and that's happened. That's okay. Just follow your rules, whatever they may be, and stick to them. Because if you don't, that's where you start really like losing money. Make your rules, and then find rules that work for you. Once they start working, like just keep doing those. All right, add little changes. Maybe use a practice account, like I should have done, but I didn't. But yeah, find rules. May like for me, I got like little pictures that I use. So if I like forget, I can refer back to them. I'll show you that a little bit. So this is basically my trade plan. See, so you got your standard short here because you got your downtrend. The standard range short because if it comes straight back up, it'll still work. And then get your standard long, your standard range long, standard long, breakout range. So you got these are the breakout range long, and then I got some rules here. That's basically it. Because I know, like in my mind, I know what zone look like. Like I know what the curve looks like for me. I know what all that stuff, but this stuff is like what tricks me. The curve or the trend is what I've always had some challenges with. But here we go. Let me put this up here. So these are my trades. No entry on the pound yen because it was counter trend. Changed the EuroCAD trade types to standard range longs, and we have the pound Aussie, which is pending on a standard long. So you can write these down. You can do whatever you want with them. But yeah, there they are. And that'll be all. So you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll be on probably later tonight with the night session. And yeah, we'll see you then. All right, bye.